If you want to start receiving message requests from verified users on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn that setting on in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want to make your account easier to contact, while still keeping some control over who can message you. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your X account and look at the left navigation bar. If you do not see all the options, click on More to expand the menu. This will reveal the full list of settings and tools available on your account. Next, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy options, and messaging preferences. Once you are inside the Settings menu, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account interacts with other users, including your visibility, discoverability, and communication settings. After that, click Chat. This is the area where you can manage message request permissions and choose who can reach you. Now look for the section labeled Allow Message Requests From. Under that menu, you will see an option for verified users. Toggle this on to allow message requests from verified accounts. Once that is enabled, verified users will be able to send you message requests on X. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you've updated your chat settings and opened message requests from verified users only. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next quick guide.